Hey, how are you doing? Today I want to just talk to you quickly about how to enable text-to-speech in Word. And one of the things that makes it easier for me to use is to assign it actually to a keyboard shortcut so that I don't have to always go up to the top of my screen and click read what I've selected. When you're reviewing a manuscript or report or something else that you've written, it's helpful not only to see sometimes, but to hear what you've written. It can identify maybe an awkward phrasing or just lead you to finding a better way to express yourself. So here's how you do it. Up in the Quick Access Toolbar section, you can click on this pull down box and choose More Commands. It opens by default to a Quick Access Toolbar Word Options window. And in this top drop box, just select All Commands and then scroll down. I'm just going to cheat and go inside there, click inside, hit S, and then I'll just scroll through the S's to find the Speak command. Here it is now. What you do is just select it and then add it to your chosen commands. You can click OK. And you can see up here that the Speak Selected Text tool has been added. I want to do a little bit more. I want to assign it to a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to go back in here to More Commands, choose Customize the ribbon, and I am going to choose again from the All Commands categories. I'm going to find Speech, and it is Speak, Stop Speaking. Now there's a little category here, or a field that says press new shortcut key. So I'm just going to click in there and I'm going to assign it to Alt S for Speak. It's currently unassigned, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to click Assign and then Close. Then when I click OK, everything should be ready to go. So now let's give it a test. I'm just going to select a sentence. I'm going to hold down my Control key and click on a sentence. It will highlight that sentence, and I will just try it with the tool itself. So I'll just click on that.
Hearing what you've written can help you identify a better way to express yourself.
Okay, so I hope you could hear that. That seems to have worked. Now I'm going to choose a different sentence using the same Control plus click to identify or to select the entire sentence. And I'm just going to press Alt S on my keyboard. Hold down the Alt key and press S.
Sometimes it's nice to be able to hear what you've written.
And I hope you could hear that as well. So that is the way that you can quickly set up Word to read your text back to you. Above all, I hope that this improves the quality of your writing. Take care.